In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect AirPods 4 to Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The AirPods don't have to be used exclusively with iOS devices. They will work with any other brand or any other device that you have, including Samsung smartphones. So to do this and set them up, you have to connect them over Bluetooth. So ensure that they are sufficiently charged and make sure that your Samsung device is capable of using a Bluetooth connection. So head over into the settings for your Samsung device, access the Bluetooth category, and make sure that it is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, it is now time to set up the AirPods themselves. To put the AirPods 4 in pairing mode, you have to put them inside of the case, open the lid with the pods still inside like this, and then double tap this area here on the case. By double tapping this area, you will enable pairing mode on your AirPods 4. So you might see this LED blink, indicating that they are looking for nearby devices to pair with. So if you have your AirPods 4 in close proximity of your Samsung device, they are going to appear on the list of available devices. So you will see an icon for the AirPods here, and you can choose the option to connect them. It is simple and it is going to work with any Samsung device with Bluetooth capabilities. So just choose the AirPods 4 from the list of available devices and they will remain connected until they run out of battery or you manually end the connection. And as you might expect, this is also going to work with any other model of AirPods that you have. So it doesn't need to be the AirPods 4 specifically. As long as you are able to establish a Bluetooth connection to your Samsung device, it is going to work with any set of AirPods that you have. Now, if this video helped you, consider subscribing. Before I end this video, I want to highlight that when I checked the channel metrics, I saw that only 16% of you are subscribed. 83% of you are not subscribed to the channel. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the most up-to-date and convenient solutions to your problems, so consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.